Okay, we are doing an dental repair for Mr. Donald at 154 Beckley in Hampton, Georgia. And this is the pre-loss condition of the roof before we start our repair. This is the shingle that it was prescribed by the insurance company due to wind damage. So we're gonna start by doing our repair, and we can document everything from start to finish. That way you'll know what we're doing up here. All right, we're gonna start by breaking off the seal. We're using a painter's tool, so we can try to break the seal of this shingle. We're gonna be as careful as possible. Gentle, we're not using extreme force or anything. We wanna make sure everything gets unsealed. Okay, that was the shingle unsealed. Now we have to do the one above. Like I said, we're using reasonable care. We're not being too reckless. Okay, that one is on CO2. We're gonna do this one too. So, right now we do the one above. Okay, that's on CO2. Now we got, I think that's all the ones that we need to manipulate. So now we're gonna start removing the nails. So I'll have to refill this one too. Okay. Okay, that's one more. We're going to look the one here. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be one more above here. I believe that is all the nails that we have. Well, we have one more somewhere here. Still one more somewhere. Okay. On this one, we're gonna be doing a simulated repair because we don't know what shingle is available for this roof. But there's a few things that I am concerned about, which is all the mat transfer here. You can see it pretty clear there. That means the shingle above is not gonna reseal properly because of all that mat transfer. You see? Also, the penetration holes are way above, so I'm gonna continue to install the shingle back and see this one right here. So we're gonna continue installing this one to see what we come up with. Préstame el roughneck. we're using a roof snake, so you know we're not lifting the shingle above 45 degrees. Okay, that's the last one on this row. Then we have one more nail or two. I think we got some creasing going on in this road. Okay, we're finishing up. There's a few things that they're not pretty good with this repair. Based on my experience, there's some bruising going on right here. That's something was not previously here. Also, there's a lot of mud transfer. Can you let me see your phone? Por teléfono. Para la lámpara. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to get the best photo, but it's right there. You can see the mat transfer there as well, and here excessive amounts of transfer. This also another thing that it caught my concern. This shingle is already starting to crease, you see, and this was not previously there. So we're gonna send you this video, and we're gonna let the homeowner determine if he wants to, you know, repair the shingles like this. And there's a lot of delamination going on in here, you see. Eventually it will happen the same thing as happening here. The roof is very vulnerable to wind, like that one. It's a lot of delamination. So for me, that's a failed attempt to repair work. But we're gonna send you this video so you can have it for your records.